My dear fellow collectors, that's my result after the degreening. The green is almost gone. We have only a shade of green left. I'm satisfied with my first try to degreen a swirl. I hope you like the result. My dear fellow collectors, I just learned that cling film and my Benzhagnen acne cream in combination should even work better than just the acne cream in the sun. So I'm going to try out if the combination of cling film around the acne cream will lead us to better results than just the acne cream in the sunshine. So let's try it out. My dear fellow collectors, after a few days of retro brightening, she's looking much better. This is the worst ear, and that's the other one. And I've already seen the green became much paler in the last days, although we hadn't very much. We had a lot of thunderstorms in the last days. I'm sure, so I wasn't able to put her out in the sun every day. By the way, I only have the sun on my balcony in the afternoon. In the morning I don't have sun here. And yeah, I'm going to continue with my retro brightening project now. Let's see how she turns out in a few days. My dear fellow collectors, the last time you saw me working on my ponytail swirl head was when I put her outside in the sun, but unfortunately the sun is gone and we have lots of rain. I don't know if it is the start of a very early autumn or if the sun is going to come back, but I think because of the lacking sunshine, I'm going to treat her with Polyboy. That's something you get in Germany. And I have heard from other collectors that this stuff works against green ears. I have not tried it yet, but the advantage is that you don't need sun. It also works if you don't have sun. I'm just opening the I don't know if it's a jar or how you would call it, but I'm going to fill it here into my drinking jar. I hope that's enough. Let's see. Okay, and here is my hop. Here's my head, and I'm going to dip it in there. it should not harm. So let's wait and see. See you in the next days. My dear fellow collectors, I just wanted to show you the result. It's extremely interesting that most of the green is gone after only 2 days. That's very interesting. I haven't expected it so far and so soon. My dear fellow collectors, after 1.5 years we finally managed it. The doll is degreened. You see a shadow in the jar, but the green is really gone. I let her in there for almost 3 weeks, and now the green is all gone. It's just a shadow that you can see. It's not really green anymore. I'm so happy I have managed it to degreen my ponytail swirl. Yay! So the next step is to remove the Polyboy liquid and wash her and let her dry. And then I'm going to restyle her original hairstyle so that she gets a ponytail again. So that's the result after leaving the jar. I think that's quite good. So let's see tomorrow how she develops overnight. Every Friday comes a new exciting video for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And to help this channel grow, please send me your broken Barbie dolls. Maybe I'm going to show you in one of my next videos how I recreate her swirl ponytail. Let's see.